Guys, listen. Can you imagine going to bed and waking up with 1 million followers on TikTok? That's my dream. It's gonna be like I won $1 million lottery. I know there are 1 billion people on TikTok, and it is possible to hit my dream. I'll be a dream come true. Oh, I'm just going crazy. It's possible. Oh, I'm being delusional. It's possible. Am I overthinking? It's possible. I know I can be any big influencer. 1 million followers is nothing on TikTok. You can get it overnight. And I know it's possible. I'm kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm serious.